Dry fry ko muna siya. Lambot. Everyone, welcome back to my channel, Nalia Chrissy. Guys, our video for today, I'm going to cook spicy adobo. First of all, I'm going to fry first my belly. Belly ito siya de, guys. I marinated this with salt only and black pepper. And this is skinless belly. I'm going to dry fry first until it become golden brown. Golden brown but not burn. Ganun, guys. I'm not going to add oil. I'm not going to fry this with oil because it will produce its own oil. Guys, while waiting for my meat, I'm going to prepare my other ingredients, just like a lot of garlic and my chili. Piliin na lang natin niya. I'm going to choose the good ones here because I prepared this yesterday and then I put them outside. I didn't keep them in the refrigerator. So I'm going to choose, or else I'll get the new one in front of the garden. I mix my 1 cup of soy sauce and about 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Only 3 tablespoons of vinegar, guys. And then I'm going to add palm sugar and then laurel. I'm going to cut the chili into half. It's very windy here outside, guys. Here it is, guys, na golden brown na siya, but not burn. And then I'm going to set them aside here, and I'm going to fry here my whole head of garlic. I just wash the garlic properly and fry them whole. I'm going to crush it here when it's already cooked. Now I'm going to add my soy sauce mix and add 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. Cover, simmer until the meat totally cooked. Here it is, guys. The garlic already cooked. Now I'm going to press this garlic like this. And continue simmering until the meat totally cooked and the juice reduce completely, but not dry. Ayan na siya, guys. The smell of the garlic. Now I'm going to add black pepper. Then I'm going to add the chili later before we switch off the stove. Guys, I'm going to put my chili now. Look, the gravy. Ayan na siya. Here it is, guys. Let it simmer for 1 minute before switching off the stove. Okay, guys. Guys, it's time for taste test sa ating spicy pork belly adobo. Spicy pork belly adobo. Ayan na, guys. Oh. Ayan, ayan. Meron tayo dito cucumber at saka orange juice. Mm. Ang orange juice ay walang sugar. Okay, guys? Amen. Ayan na. Ang unang subo ay para sa inyo, guys. Ayan. Ito muna sa atin. Mm. Mm. Manghang. Ang lambot-lambot niya, guys. Lagyan natin ng kunting gravy. Ang lapot-lapot ng gravy niya. Kunti lang kanin natin. Isang cup lang. Literal na isang cup. Walang sobra, walang kulang. Hindi siya gaanong mamantika, guys. Kasi pinaalisan ko nga siya ng skin. At saka, prinito ko muna siya. Maanghang kahit green pa siya. Mm. Mm. Sabaw. Kailangan kasi may sabaw. Mm. Sarap. Inom muna tayo. Pure siya na orange juice. Wala siyang sugar. Pang-neutralize. Hmm. Ha. Maanghang. May naman kong mainit na tubig. Bakit ko binuo yung garlic? Para yung garlic, pag yung minash ko siya, nakakatulong siya yung pag-thick ng ating gravy. So, ganun guys. Pagka nag-aadobo ako, mostly binubuo ko yung garlic. Para yung the garlic smell, masarap. Manghang. Sili lang ang titira ko guys, ha? Hindi ko naman yan mauubos na sili. Oy. Di ba taste test lang to dapat? Naging food trip. Hmm. Hmm. Ang sarap guys. Wala yung asawa ko. Kaya kumain ako ng ganito. Hindi. Pagalitan ako dun. Magsabaw muna tayo guys. Ako yung tao na hindi makakain pagka walang sabaw. Kailangan mayroon sabaw. Whatever sabaw it is. Ito sabaw ito ng bangus. Bangus na may miso. Kasi yun ang kinain ng anak ko. Yung miso soup. Gusto niya yun. Kaya lang yung fish niya ay danggit. Yun lang ang kinakain niyang fish. Danggit at saka dory fish. At saka yang mahimahi pagka ay dorado pagka binarbecue. Wala na siyang ibang kinakain na fish. Pag last bite na tayo ba guys ha? Last bite na. 2 bites lang pala. Ang natira ay ang sili. Last bite guys para sa inyong lahat. Sarap guys. Ganun talaga pagkabawal masarap. Inom naman ako mamaya ng gamot. bago ako maghugas ng kamay, mag-shoutout muna ako ha. Shoutout sa lahat ng Team Loyalista, Team Habibi, Team Pabibi, Team Daddy Chris TV, Team Idalin in Germany, Team Jinjin Lakwachera na magaling magdut-dut. Very supportive na pamangkin na Jinjin Lakwachera. At saka team niya. Team Musikero Gods, Team Raiko, Team Hobbyistang Bisdak, mega love shout out. Luis, SP, sa lahat sa inyo, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Bye!